Hi bros, in this stream we are going to port our Erebus project to Godot 4.
Hi bro, I'm Ronaldo, and we are making some icons and sharing how I will be doing it. And hope you like it. And if you have any question, doubts, or whatever, you can ask it in the comment section.
Yeah.
Let's start.
And also I added a link in the description to make donations. If we reach the 100 euros in donations, we will publish a demo in Steam with all the new features we added recently.
Yeah, such as better quality of life improvements, the
Yeah.
leveling system that is
The
almost finished,
the AI of the characters, of the
the UI
NPCs,
of the characters and the NPCs,
the
and
leveling system.
the leveling system, and some other human enemies and human UI. And also we are working further for the early access version that will feature a ton of new weapons. So on this very moment, we'll start making the board Erebus 3.6, I think, to Godot version 4.
Yeah. Okay, so the twin nodes don't exist anymore in Godot 4. So we have to replace them by the twin by code twins. I mean the we have to use the twins by code instead of a node. So the camera has a twin.
Camera has a
Yeah,
twin. Okay.
yeah, because of the shake effect. I'm just going to remove it and let's see. Oh no, we don't use the twin to shake the camera. Instead, we use the twin to move the camera to the initial position when the shake ends, so it will be easier. So here
Okay.
I will kill the twin because we don't need it anymore in this point. And here we will create the twin.
Okay. So the twig is deprecated on this new version. Is
Yeah.
not used anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if the name is the same, it's twin. It's not a node anymore. If you enter in the documentation, you can see it's an object. It does not inherit from node anymore.
Okay. And what about timers?
Timers. Yeah, timers it's the same as before. You see, we can
Okay.
still have them in the sentry.
So not an issue on this very moment.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So we were trying to port in everything else. We had some problems and issues with dialogic, how we make it work properly very soon. I think the version is still on alpha,
Yeah, it's still on alpha.
or correct me.
For the moment, we will try to run the game without dialogues.
Okay.
Oh,
Also, on
mhm.
future streams, we're planning to design the new tutorial series
Oh, yeah,
of the community has spoken.
yeah.
The vast majority had chosen for making a roguelike. So I think roguelikes are very popular. So okay, that's we will making on the next videos. I think it's fine. Roguelikes are pretty neat, pretty great.
Yeah. Another
And
twin
Magic, another stream.
in armor in floor.
Oh, watch that functionality. The armoring fluid is very
Yeah, we use
very
that scene to pick up armor in the floor. For example, I don't know if there is, yes, there is a sprite. So this is how the armor in the floor looks, and when you enter the area, you equip the armor.
yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So we'll replace that for the new twin. And also we want to call that function when the twin ends. So
Which function?
we'll on twin all completed. I will just remove all. It's not necessary.
Okay.
And to call it, I will
Hey,
use twin pun that twin
we got new people here. You
callback.
hi, hello, and
Oh
oh,
yeah.
sorry, man,
Hi,
I
welcome.
can't read your name, but hi anyway. Welcome to the stream. Don't forget to any question and doubts and so many things you could have or any comment to share with us. We will be reading, maybe not on a first glance on very moment that you will write, but sure we will. So welcome again.
Yeah.
Um, right now, what I'm making is using different programs, and I am using Sprite, Painter's and GIMP. So the thing is that the icon is it's are being made on different phases and different moments. So the thing is that it's not too hard to making.
Mm-hmm.
I am picking some reference from real life and making some icons. So the thing is that in the game seems a realistic interpretation of the object that we're using as a weapon. So is the idea that in the menus will be very recognizable and more easy to find that weapon you have to use to want to use.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it seems there is a problem with the state class.
Okay.
So the problem is there are two string types, a string and a string name. I don't know what's the difference. Let's take a look. An optimized string type for unique names. It seems there are like a string constants. They can be changed. Or so it seems. Two string names with the same value share the same object. Mhm. Oh yeah, it seems I created this function to get the name of the node. But it seems this function already exists in Godot 4. So I don't need it anymore.
And if you change the name and change
Oh no, wait,
anything else,
I think I used it in the substate machine.
oh
Let's see. Yeah,
yeah,
so
that we need to watch the different functions that are native to Godot.
yeah, so
We could make.
I will change it to jet state name instead of jet name.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. Let's see what is the next crash.
Yeah, in the string in this string will have a ton of crashes. So, but I think it's fine.
Yeah.
It's part of the process,
Yeah, so
part of the transition.
there is a problem with hitbox too. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the converter to Godot 4, I don't know what happens to him, but duplicates the types. So I will just remove that. Why it has two different types? I will remove that. Yeah, melee weapon is wrong too. So now the setters and getters are defined in a different way. Instead of set we have to add two dots, and
Okay.
then we write jet is equal to this function.
Yeah,
And
and also
this it's
we
not
have a
necessary
ton
anymore. Mhm.
of getter and setters in the game.
Yeah.
Overall, in the UI, some AI things, and I think that in some objects scattered around there.
Yeah. Another thing that changed is the icon. In Godot 3, we defined an icon adding the path after the class name. Now we have to add icon on the top and move that inside.
Okay, and what about the classes types? I mean,
Mm-hmm.
the in different scripts. I mean, in the JSON files, it will change something.
Something
Will we have to change something?
in the
Yeah.
JSON files. No, I don't think so.
Okay.
JSON is the same as before. We can load
Okay.
the data we want from it.
Okay.
I was using this to debug some shapes in the screen, but it seems the update function is no longer available. So I will just comment it for the moment.
Hmm.
I
Which
will
function?
the update function. I will just
Oh.
put to do to remind me later. So this function updated the shapes. Yeah, but it seems I commented that, so it doesn't matter. Oh, here we have another twin in collectible item. I delete the node. And here is where I'm using the twin.
Hmm. And also, I have to ask, what about
Yeah,
the variables declared in the twin function? It will change something.
the variables declared in the twin functions. Yes, it's different now. So before we had to specify the initial value of the property we want to change. Now not. We only have to specify the final value. So that's why I changed the position here before calling the twin.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
before we also specified the transition type and the is type in the same call to the twin. But now we have to call two more functions like this and the is.
It's not working alone anymore. It's not, or I think it's maybe they changed this because of easier readability. I think.
Yeah, it could be. Okay. Projectile. Let's see what's wrong. The same as before, duplicated types. Okay. Yeah, okay, duplicated types. Oh yeah, and now instead of file name, we can set the path to the scene with a scene file path. Another twin.
I don't know that Godot will be eliminating twins and make an alternative to use on this 4 version. I don't know why. I just thinking on that.
Hmm.
But the thing is that twins are a very good way to animate
Yeah.
things without code and with more control, specifying the type of transitions between animations. So, well, I'm not a programmer, so personally, I rather to use the native Godot animation functionality, which is very powerful compared with another other game engines like Unreal or Unity. But I think it's fine to use. It's not a problem to use twins. So as a programmer like Mateo, it's
Yeah.
more easy to do and save a lot of works.
It just crashed.
It just crashed. Why?
Yeah. I don't know, I was deleting the twins and Godot just crashed. But you see, there are two buttons in the game, in the menu.
Yeah, we
Where do
have
those come
to
from?
consider
Yeah,
that.
we have a white screen. Well, let's close that.
And what about the splash screen is deactivated? The splash
Yeah,
screen
yeah.
plugin.
I disabled it for the moment.
Maybe it's waiting for a splash screen or something. Check
No,
that.
because I changed the main scene to the menu scene. So when we play the game, it loads the menu instead of the splash screen.
It's very possible that the splash screen will be making it for ourselves. So it's pay a stream or a short video or whatever to
Yeah,
show you how it's making that. Maybe it's better. It's for the better because you too can making some custom splash screen with more control than a simple plugin. So expect a video in the future, in the near future. So well, let's let's try to repair those things right now.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. It seems it's fine. Let's try to play the game again.
Cross fingers.
Hmm. Oh yeah, it seems this signal was connected from the editor.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, I have to change these two. Okay, so first we create a new instance of the twin. And we twin the value, the property. Okay, so that's the twin. No, no, no. Okay, wait, there is a problem? Oh yeah, it's missing the time. What happened with the time?
Hmm.
What was it? Wait a moment, I will check.
Oof.
Oh,
Yeah,
I will
we'll better
just
watch
do
out.
Control Z.
We better watch out what is happening with the dives.
Wait, there is no time. There was no time at the start either. How was this
What
working?
about the assert function is working anymore?
Yeah, I think it's working. Yeah, yeah, it seems it works the same as before. But why? There was no time there. Or was it removed by the converter? Yeah, I will check the file. The previous file. I mean, Amobox. Let's see. Yeah, there is no time. How how the heck was this working?
I think it's kinda broken.
Interpret property. How? How was the... Oh yeah, maybe it was taking that as the time.
It has sense. Try to change it.
Yeah, so let's specify a time. Let's say 0.6, like the position twin. Yeah. And I want these two twins to execute at the same time. By default, it will execute first this one, the color, and then the second one, the position. But I want them to execute at the same time. So the ammo box moves and fades at the same time. So for that, we have to call the function set parallel of the twin.
In practical terms, it means that in the code they will be moving almost at the same time.
Yeah. And then I will call the function. The function on twin completed. But I will set a retard, set delay. Yeah, to 0.6. So it executes after these two twins have ended. I will just remove that. Okay. Nice. Jet class. Yeah, I used that because there were a lot of problems with cyclic dependencies. But now in Godot 4, we don't have that problem anymore. So I just can delete that. Because, for example, if I write the class here, wait, I think that enemy does not have a class. Yeah, I will make one. Yeah. So for example, if we try to reference the class from inside the class, yeah, there is no problem. In Godot 3, this caused a cyclic reference, and that's why I was using these functions that returned the name.
So we will say that is no more cyclic
Yeah,
referencing
at least.
something good, at least, at last something good.
Yeah, at last, I mean. Yeah, so the same
A lot
here.
of problem of this moment. We are not blaming anyone, but as you can see, guys, we had a lot of problem porting the version of Erebus.
Yeah, okay.
It's not quite easy. So even we are considered to make some new things again for the game. But the algorithmic is done, so we have not thinking too much. It's only a matter of adaptation, nothing else. So don't feel afraid to experiment or something like that. So whoever don't risk don't win. So yeah, try to make risky and
Yeah.
things.
So we cannot override the show and hide functions anymore in Godot 4. So instead I'm connecting the draw and hidden signals to the corresponding functions. And this. Yeah, and of course this is not necessary anymore. Let's see what happens here. Set process. I can override set process either.
No?
Why not?
How is that?
So now it does not, Godot does not let me override native functions.
Maybe you have to change the name of the stream. Instead, we will put something like see Matthew heads blowing away with Godot 4,
Yeah,
blowing away in pieces. Yeah, that is the link that we'll be putting on following streams. Well,
yeah,
it
like
seems like
trying
no,
not
it
to kill
seems
myself, updating the project to Godot 4,
uh,
or trying to
sure,
not die in the try.
or watching Matthew die while updating to God of 4.0. I mean, it seems that the version is very, very bad, very different from the prior versions, which is quite disconcerting.
Yeah, so I don't know what to do with that function. I will just rename it, but now I will have to search where I'm calling it and rename it too, because otherwise this function won't be called. Never.
If it's not killing ever, but I think that the engine is try to make sure that is not a reserved name using anymore. So I think you have no alternative. You will
Yeah.
have to change.
Yeah. But it's very difficult to choose a name.
What is the name?
Set process.
Set
Mm,
processing
set processing.
or setting process.
Or set weapons process.
Set weapon process is more
Yeah.
specific to
Set
me. I
weapons
think it's
process.
fine.
Because I'm in the weapons script.
Yeah, set
Yeah.
weapon process.
So that's fine. So
Oh,
now we have to to search from where I'm calling this function.
Control Shift F.
Yeah, but I think there will be a lot of set process. Wait a moment, I think I was calling this from
What alternative we have?
Control F. Yeah, but oof, there are a lot of matches. The terminal, no.
How
Control L
many?
support, no. Pop-ups, no. Notice board, no. Shop item, no. No. UI, no. Map zone, no. Binding row, no. Player weapons,
Yeah.
no. Here it is. NPC. What happened? Oh yeah. Okay, so set weapons. Yeah, it's not working the auto-completion.
Because it doesn't exist.
Yes, it does exist. I just created it. Maybe the weapons.
But
I
for the engine doesn't exist.
Yeah, I think it's because I changed it
Don't
in
exist.
the weapons of the enemies, in the weapons script of the enemies. But the type of weapons that the NPC is using is weapons. The type that enemy weapons is extending, so it does not has it. But well, it does not matter. Let's change the icon. Oh yeah, this is not necessary anymore. And I'm not calling set process of the weapons from anywhere else, I think. Oh, from here. Oh yeah, I have to replace that to set weapons process. And the same here. Set weapons process. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, but I think this will crash now because the weapons of the player does not have set weapons process. So we will create it. Let's see. Player weapons. I have not loaded it. There it is. Oh, the same show and hide. Well, first of all,
Show has
let's.
changed.
Yeah, I
Conche.
know the same as before. I can override these functions. So now the engine does not let me override certain functions. I can override process, ready, enter tree, but not show, hide, set process. It seems I can only override the functions that has that before them. How is this called? I don't know who it's called in English.
Let me see. Process. You mean
No,
process?
I mean this character.
Underscore.
Underscore. Yeah, thanks. Yeah,
You're welcome.
but I was going to create this function. And here I'll put the value. And I will just change process to the new value. And here in NPC or enemy weapons, I will override that function. So instead of calling super that set process, I will call super dot set weapons process. So it will call the function of the parent class. Yeah, why is not working? It seems it does not recognize the function. Oh yeah, because I added it in plain weapons. I want to add it in weapons. Okay. Yeah, we have to fix that. I will change it to on show and on hide. Like before, I will connect the draw and hide functions. Signals, I mean. On show and connect hide on hide. Yeah, so the connect function it has also changed. Now we just have to tell it the name of the signal and the function where we want to connect. We don't have to specify the object anymore. Well, we can
I,
anyway using Callable, but
well, some
that's a
credit
shortcut.
will have to give. It's simpler,
Yeah,
as I say, simpler and easier. So yeah, I think to certain way or another, the it's more easy to read.
yeah, and here we
So
have a lot of types duplicated. Okay,
well, try to fix it.
yeah, that's easy. Okay, yeah, we don't need that function anymore. Nice. Yeah. Character weapons. Character weapons. What is character weapons?
Character weapons.
Oh yeah,
I think that is.
it's what I use it to load the weapons of the NPCs.
Yeah, I thought that is what.
So what happened? Yeah, the setter. Well, where the header. So I will just fix it. Okay, let's see what's the next crash. Snippet. Yeah, the same as before. We have to specify the icon that way. Yeah, shotgun, the same. Okay, let's continue. And at point overrides a method from native class line to the. Hmm. I will see how was this implemented before. Yeah, I was overriding the function, so we'll have to find another way. Hmm. Yeah, we also have a twin here. I will have to delete it. I create the new twin and I interpolate the
Okay.
property.
Okay.
Nice. And also with the twins the new twins, we don't need to call a start. When we call twin property, it starts automatically. So we can delete that line too.
Okay. So, let me see. How many twins we have in the game right now?
I have no idea.
There are not a way to get a count of those twins.
Well, I can do bar twin 29. Let's see how we can replace this override. But there is no function that is executed when, I mean signal, that is executed when we add a point.
Okay.
So how can we replace that?
Mm, that point. Mm,
Where is this gadget from?
that's commented.
Wait, is this gadget?
Only exists on that. Yeah, it seems to be called.
No, it seems it's not gadget. Wait, rename projectile. Yeah, we get it from projectile.
Only from there?
Yeah, only from here. So we'll have to change the name at point.
Adding point.
Let's change it at smoke or something like that, because every point is a smoke, right?
Smoke point, to
I guess
be
yeah.
more precise.
Okay, and let's change that at smoke point. And this is not necessary.
Wait a moment.
Yeah, nice. Let's continue. Oof, there are a lot of errors here. Yeah, dialogic. I don't know why the dialogic autoload does not work. Yeah, so for the moment I will comment it and I will add to do here to remind me that I have to do something with that.
But we have a ton of errors right there.
Yeah, it's that of the logic. I will just comment it for the moment. Here we have that. Yeah, now we change it. Instead of file, we have to use the file access class. We can open a file with the open function. So if file is null, it means there have been an error opening it. Then I print an error. Otherwise, I load the JSON. Let's see, why is this failing? Cannot get property from any value. Hmm. What enum? What is say? Wait, maybe this function change it? No.
I don't think so.
Why is not working?
Maybe it has to
Hmm.
be updated.
See, the result can be retrieved using data. In Godot 3, we use a result instead, so let's change it. Yeah, we have the same problem. Okay. We can override toString either. Hmm. Why not?
I think the question is overriding is working anymore on Godot 4.
Well, I will have to change the function name again. I will use jet as string. Yeah, and now I will have to replace toString. So let's see where I'm using it here. So just jet as string. Yeah. Anywhere else? Here? Yeah, but that is some script of the logic, so I will just ignore it. Yeah. Okay. Mm, let's see how I can export a list of strings. Hmm. Ooh, I will search in internet. Well, let's. I think it can be done. We have to export enum. Here we put a string and we specify the options. Master, music, and sounds. Yeah, it seems it does not work.
Mm,
Why
why?
not? Hmm. Hmm. Build. Build in type cannot be used as a name on its own. Uh-huh.
So why? That's the question. Why not?
Maybe I have to specify a string here. No. Hmm. And if I use a string name, yeah, it does not work either. What? Without the string? Yeah, it works now. Nice.
So
But this will keep the value. Let's see. This was in settings. This is master. Yeah. Yeah, it has lost his value. This is music and this is sounds. Okay, and here we have another problem. I don't know why. It seems I cannot use constants with packet arrays. So I will change it for bar. So Atlan says hi. Hi Atlan, welcome to the stream. I
Hey,
hope you like
Adlan,
it.
welcome to the stream. So, again, whichever question you had to do, comments, or anything you have to share with us, right there, here, and we'll be reading at the moment.
Yeah, set target FPS does not exist anymore. How I
Not
know?
as a constant?
No, I was using this function to set the FPS. You know, in the settings we can change the FPS to 30 or 16. I mean 60. I don't know why it's not working. Let me see if there is a new function. Set. There are only jet. Oh, it's got it max FPS. Set max FPS instead of target. Set max FPS. Yeah, and that will replace it for max FPS too. Yeah. What's the problem here? Joy battle 14 not declared in the current scope. Where do I get this value from? Like that? No. Oh, we change it now. Instead of an integer, it has a name. You know, instead of 14, this will be D or something like that. Let me try.
Okay.
Joy pad D-pad left. Yeah. Yeah, so now it will be more reliable. And the same here. Joy button D D-pad down. And here X. Yeah. And here D-pad down. What? D-pad down? I have two things with D-pad down. Hell
Which are?
and drop armor. What? Yeah, we'll check that later. For the moment,
Oh,
let's make the game run.
keeps running or not?
No, it keeps crashing. There are a lot of things to change. D-pad right, yeah, and this home. There is no home button. No. Dual shock. No. Guide. Yeah. This one is L3. Paddle 3. L3 is paddle 3. Yeah, I will guess yes. This is I, and this R3. There is no R3. Oh wait, I have to... Oh yeah, because it's the right stick, R3. Yeah. And this one I will put the left stick. Stick? Yeah, I guess the stick is that round thing to move around. This one is L. Left stick? No. Left shoulder. What is a shoulder?
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
Where is that thing?
Right shoulder, left shoulder. Yeah, I don't know what is the equivalent. Yeah, the equivalent is white. Yeah, the equivalent is joypad left shoulder. But the same, but right shoulder. Here we have A, and that's it. And it crashed again. Cannot assign a new value to a constant. Oh, what constant is he talking about?
I
Preset
think
is a
Godot
constant?
4 is not very good friend of constant.
Oh yeah, because preset is a signal now.
Ugh.
In Godot 3, we were able to use the variable preset to change if the button was preset or not, to toggle it. So let's see how we can do now. Toggle mode, no. Oh, I don't know how we can change it. Let's see if there is a function or something. Button preset. It is set preset. Yeah. Yeah, I will have to change this from a few braces. Set preset. Okay. Set target FPS. Yeah. We got the same error before. We have to use set max FPS. And this, they're the same. Set max FPS. Yeah. Let's continue. Yeah, again, we have to use set preset because now preset is a signal. We can change it like a variable. Yeah, the same error.
Same error as before.
Yeah, because I was changing preset from a lot of places.
Okay.
I just have to replace it by the function. Yeah, we'll choose change that constant for a variable because I can use constant with packet arrays, it seems. Yeah, oh, why is this not working? Jet preset is not found in base itself, but jet preset is. We have to use is preset, not jet preset. Okay. Yeah, the same problem here. Set preset. Okay. Again, I was changing preset from a lot of ways.
Okay.
A lot of places, I mean.
Yeah, I get it.
It seems the preset errors have ended at last. Yeah, now we have to change this. Joy button for. What is that? Joy button for. Oh yeah, I think it's the left shoulder.
I think you have to comment it that why you don't
Yeah,
take the opportunity to left all of this commented.
yeah. Yeah, no, it's not necessary anymore because before it just said for, but now it will say what type of button is. So I don't think
Oh,
it's
it's
necessary.
this specific. Yeah. Was necessary before.
Back and guide. Maybe they changed the integers. What? Wait. This is to change the tabs of a tab container. So I guess it's L1 and R1. Here I will just use left shoulder, and here right shoulder. Yeah. Another preset error. Invalid set index size on base null instance. Hmm. Hmm. Jet Windows is null. Why? Returns the window that contains this node. Hmm. Yeah, it seems the converter did something weird here.
Something like that.
Jet window. This returns the window that contains this node. But I want to modify the window, the game window, not any node. I want to modify the size if it's full screen. So that's not the window that I want.
Hmm.
Or maybe yes. Maybe it is. Hmm. Okay, it seems now we can use display server. Display server. Let's see the class. Yeah. Yeah, it handles everything related to window management. It seems the correct class. So we can use window set size. Window set size. Erebus. And we can use the same. And here we are changing the mode. What happened here? The converter. I don't know what the converter did here. Like it created a ternary if, but with true, so it will always be this. I don't know what happened here. So
Oh, I think
if in the
this
settings,
thing's
yes,
sucking the crazies. Well,
So if we have in the settings we have saved that the window is maximized, we will maximize it when the game starts. Set maximize maybe. Let's see
Try
the
with
class.
that.
No, it seems the function does not exist. I will check the display server class. I can do Control F here. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it seems I have to change the mode. Okay. Set mode, window, set mode. Yeah, that's it. And this, I think I will have to do the same. Wait, is something wrong here? Where I am settings. No, it's alright. Oh, yeah, yeah.
What is the problem?
No, it's right, it's right. I just have to change that. Set borderless. Wait. Flag borderless. How do I make the window borderless? And why is this not working? Display. Oh yeah, I think I have to use display server, window mode, full screen. Yeah. And now that, how do I make a window borderless?
In a different way, and
Yeah, I changed it. And before I use it OS, that window, I think. Yeah. I use it, for example, OS, that window borderless. And I changed this variable and that's it. But now it seems I have to use display server. Oh, let's do Control F. Borderless. There is. It's a flag.
Has not the option anymore?
Yeah. It's in an enum. So if I change the flags or something like that, it will change.
Okay.
With that Windows set flag. So here display server that window set flag, and we'll change the flag borderless to to this value. The value we have saved in settings. And what's the other option? Window ID. I don't know why we need that, so I will just leave the default parameter. And here, so if we have in the settings that the game is full screen, here we will use Windows set mode to change it to full screen.
Okay.
That's it. Let's see. Pause action or no? Where I am? Cache.gd. Where is this? Where I am?
Dodge?
Where I am? Cache. But this is Godot action. This is an add-on, but I'm not using it. You know what? I will just delete them. Yeah, so these add-ons are not updated for Godot 4. So I will delete them for the moment. Yeah, so here we have another twin. Okay, where I am in menu. The buttons twin. Wait, I will open the menu. Why is this white?
Well,
It's odd, but now the pop-ups are white.
Oof.
The
What I
icon,
missed?
the icon. I mean, not not the white. Only the icon. Yeah, well, I will delete this twin.
Matthew,
Yeah.
what I missed? I think it's about time.
Yeah, let me finish this twin, and we
Okay.
will end the stream.
Yeah, and thanks for watching, everyone who will stay with us, and for everyone that watch it later. It will be left those videos in this video in the channel, so you can watch it later.
Yeah.
And again, the comments are there. If you have any question, write in the comments.
Yeah. Anyway, I will fix this twin later. So, thanks to all of you watching the stream.
Yeah, thanks to everyone.
I hope you come to the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Bye, friends.